I do not know why this keeps happening to us, but exciting. This was such a flop. Chia seed pudding. Number one is to descale this coffee machine. This is more of my vibe. I am so happy we got this. Good morning and happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a weekend in my life vlog. Well, today's plan is pretty simple but exciting. AB and I are heading out to Colaba Coffee. We have been there before. I love their coffee but the food not so much. I skipped the pizza last time but apparently that is what they're known for. So today we decided to give it a fair shot, and if it's good you'll know from my happy face later. I also wanted to squeeze in a little grocery shop with me, but I'm not sure if we would have the time to do a full-blown grocery shopping thing. If I'm unable to do that, I think I'll have to place an order online. So let's see how the day unfolds. But yeah, I am so excited you clicked on this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this. Now let's head out. This was such a flop. I was so excited to try it fully, but Colaba is apparently closed. I do not know why this keeps happening to us. Why did it not show on Zomato or anywhere? I'm really clueless. Now we'll have to figure out another place to go. Let's see where we head out to. Where do you wanna go? IFC?
IFC चलते हैं.
IFC. Let me search. नहीं, it's okay. I'll order online. IFC से आ ही नहीं रही है यहाँ का. I don't know, मतलब
चाट मुकर.
पूजी चाट. I'm so happy we got this gift because बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था. First food आ गया. So we just came back home and I don't think so grocery shopping is in the cards today because it's really humid outside and cloudy too, so it might rain any moment and we do not want to be stuck in traffic today. Also, while going to the cafe, I got some flowers because it's been a while since I had flowers over my desk. So I'm gonna quickly arrange these and then remove my makeup and sit down to edit a vlog because I need to tackle that today. So yeah, that's that. That is what the rest of the plan is. And I think I'm also gonna place the grocery order on Modern Bazaar's app and just get it delivered at home. That's it. So it's 7:45 p.m. and since we last spoke, I have edited. I went to the temple and well, my groceries have arrived from Modern Bazaar. Let me show you what all I got. From the ready to eat section, I got 250 gram pack of chili paneer and soya tikka. You know I love this in my wraps. And the chili paneer I got because I want to make some quinoa fried rice. Then I got 3 packs of YY. I love YY. I do not know why, but Maggie does not suit me. And then I also got a pack of pasta, a thing of corns. I love corns like anything. A pack of puff pastry sheets. These come really handy if you wanna make aloo patties or any patties at home. Then I got a thing of fresh mozzarella. I'm trying to cut down on the processed cheese. I don't know, I feel like it's not good for your health. And the last thing I got is this pack of Wow momos. This is the corn and cheese because it rains a lot nowadays. We are avoiding to eat outside, like the local places where you get momos and stuff. So I'm relying on the frozen ones, and I feel like Wow Momo is a good brand and I like the quality of the momos as well. So yeah, that is all I got. Now I'm gonna keep it away and I think I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Wait, I need to show you one more thing. Something arrived from Amazon. Let me get it. Okay, so I got this table lamp from Amazon. I have been eyeing this for a month now, but I did not want to give in at that time. But I placed an order yesterday and it's here now. I basically got it to read my books at night. So this is the one. There are multiple variations in it, but I think I got this one. Let's open it up. This looks really cute and it's chargeable. It's not turning on right now. Maybe it needs to be charged, so I'll do that. So I want to keep it near my desk, and I feel like when you're having date nights, you can even keep it on the dining table. So yeah, that is it, and now I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow. Guys, I figured it out. It is working. So it has 3 modes. I feel like this looks really cute. Good morning, you guys, and happy Sunday. Sundays are for slow mornings, the kind where you don't set an alarm and you let the sunlight peeking through the curtains of your bedroom wake you up naturally. No rushing to get dressed, no frantic to-do list in your head, and definitely no checking my phone the second I wake up. Like anything that would make me feel present in the moment, I'll take it in a heartbeat. Instead of scrolling, I just fill my cup of water and take it to the balcony and just sit in the quiet. I mean, it's such a small thing, but I feel like it changes the tone of your entire day. I think we forget that rest is just as productive as getting things done, and my Sunday mornings are a gentle reminder of that. Alright, so I just showered and now it's time for breakfast. Last night I prepped my breakfast before going to bed. So I have with me chia seed pudding. It has coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, cinnamon, water, and a Greek yogurt of your choice. I also added this date syrup because I'm running low on my honey. And yeah, breakfast is ready. I'm just gonna top it up with some banana and granola and be done with it. But you know, I cannot have only sweet things in my breakfast, so I have to pair it with a bagel from Sibang. I'm just gonna throw it in the oven, toast it, and have some cream cheese over it. I'm already salivating, if you can tell. I just can't wait to have it. So yeah, let's tackle breakfast. I'm gonna see you guys in a bit. Okay, so I just got ready and I did a quick 5-minute makeup. I was contemplating putting on makeup, but I think it always makes me feel good. So yeah, these are the products that I used today. Just some concealer on my dark spots, topped it up with some Kosas setting powder, a powder bronzer, and this Tower 28 blush. I love it in all the seasons. And for my eyes, I just had this Benefit Brow Pencil, Color Bar Smoky Kajal, and the Huda Beauty eyeliner. And then for my lips, I have the lip pencil from MAC in Soar and this lifter gloss from Maybelline. This is in the shade Petal. Also, it's time for the morning caffeine and I'm craving an iced matcha just as a little weekend treat. So let's make that together. Alright, I've got all my ingredients ready for the matcha, and I think once I'm done with this, I'm gonna tackle a few things that will make me feel ready for the week ahead. I always do this, like Sunday prep is so sacred to me because I do not want to be bothered on my Mondays. So on my list, number one is to descale this coffee machine. It's been blinking for weeks now, and you know, the coffee taste just changes when you do not descale when the machine indicates. So I'll be doing that first, and then I also need to prep granola. I have kept the bag of rolled oats outside so that I do not forget it. And if you've been following me for a while, you know that no Sundays are complete without prepping a fresh batch of granola, so I'll be doing that for sure. Apart from that, I also need to edit a vlog. Descaling takes a lot of time, granola not so much, but I also need to dust around the house. So I've got a lot of things to complete before Monday arrives. So yeah, let's get that caffeine into my system and let's tackle everything. But the color is not vibrant, na? The color has changed. Taste is good, but the color has changed. Yeah, I'm saying. Alright guys, it's over 2 p.m. and I've already edited my vlog, descaled the coffee machine, and now I need to prep some granola. So I will quickly lay out all the ingredients, and I'm not gonna bore you with the recipe because I feel like at this point I've shown it like a million times. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly prep it up and I'll show you the end product for sure. Alright, so I just got done with creating thumbnails for my YouTube video. The video was done, but I had to create the thumbnails yet. So after the granola was all prepped, I sat down to create those. This time I created two because I wanted to test and compare the different styles of thumbnails. You know, I love experimenting that ways, and I really wanted to see what style would suit the most. And yeah, that is what I was doing for the past 1 hour. It took me really long, and here's what I came up with. Okay, so this is the first one. I have created this particular style before, and I really love how simplistic it is, like 3 photographs, that's it. And the second is this. I feel like this is more of my vibe, like it's clean, it's white, it's minimal. So yeah, this is what I was doing for the past 1 hour. I really love how both of them turned out to be. I am really trying to pour all of my heart into the content that I'm putting on the internet, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. Well, now I'm gonna take a short break because I feel like I have been doing a lot around the house, and then I think I just have one single thing left to do, that is to dust especially the master bedroom. Also guys, I was thinking that it's been a while since I've done sit down videos. The last one I did was how to become the main character in your life, and if you have any other ideas or topics that you would want me to cover, I am in the mood of filming some sit down videos, so do leave them in the comment section. And if that topic really resonates with my lifestyle and with my thought process, I would love to create those videos for you. So yeah, I just wanted to put it out in the universe and see if I could create some magic for you that you recommend. Alright, you guys, it is over 8 p.m. I've already had my dinner, read my book, and all my chores for the day have been taken care of. I am so happy, and I feel like the future me would be happy because I took care of everything so that my week can go on peacefully. Now I'm just gonna remove my makeup and jump into bed, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this vlog. Do let me know what are your little Sunday rituals. Do you like to go out, or do you meal prep like me and plan for the week ahead, or do you like to go out for family dinners? Like, I would love to hear what are you guys up to. And yeah, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really encourages me and helps out my channel as well. Do subscribe if you haven't already. I'm gonna see you in
She
the
keeps
next
me
one.
close.
Bye.
In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long.